The time has finally arrived. You can now claim your SundaeSwap Reverse ISO rewards. Let's take a look at how together. Welcome back to Woodland Pools. Today, let's take a look at how you can finally claim your SundaeSwap Reverse ISO rewards. Let's jump in. All right, so a couple days ago, the announcement came out from SundaeSwap Labs, and just right off the bat, I want to point out that I love the fact that they call themselves SundaeSwap. A good callback to when Hosky was giving them a hard time back in the day. Very good sense of humor, guys. I think that's actually hilarious. So, SundaeSwap has arrived again, better late than never. Reverse ISO and feeless claiming of ISO rewards is now live on iso.sundaeswap.finance. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is set dark mode. That's better. And then we're going to want to connect our wallet. So click on Connect Wallet. I'm going to go ahead and use my Eternl wallet. So one thing I want to point out to keep in mind, we've been hearing about a lot of users having issues with their Yoroi wallet. So when you're coming here to claim, make sure you're using a different wallet other than Yoroi. If it's a software wallet, you can port it over by making a clone. Or if it's a hardware wallet, just pair your hardware wallet with Eternl. So let's go ahead and connect to Eternl. You're going to get a pop-up from your wallet asking you to confirm the connection, so click on Connect to Site. So here I see all the rewards that are available for this wallet. Now this is just a test wallet that I use, so it's barely any Sunday at all, and this is only for the reverse ISO. But if you participated in the regular ISO and the reverse ISO, you'll see multiple entries here for all the different rewards that you're eligible for, and you can claim them all at once. So let's go ahead and click on Claim Rewards. We're going to get a pop-up here in another window. I'm going to go ahead and bring it over. And a couple of things to keep in mind here. This transaction will be valid only for 10 minutes, so only click claim when you're actually ready to do the process. If you take longer than 10 minutes, then this transaction will expire and you have to wait a full half hour to come back and try again. Additionally, I'm doing this with a software wallet, but if you're doing it with a hardware wallet, make sure that you upgrade to the latest Cardano version 5.0.0, before you attempt it. The previous versions won't work. Okay, so all that being said, click on Sign. Awesome. So we see here we've successfully submitted a claim for the rewards, and it is pending. So now let's just give this a minute to come through. We can either wait on this screen or we can come back here to the Eternl wallet. And something I probably should have pointed out explicitly when I had the confirmation screen pulled up is that this is no cost to you. This faucet is free. The only thing you have to pay are just the fees, and then SundaeSwap covers everything else to send you your tokens. So let's give this a second to come through and then we'll go from there. Okay, if I come to my Eternl wallet and I refresh, I can already see my Sunday coming in, so it looks like we're good to go. If I go to the account and I can go to my tokens list, I can see my Sunday tokens have come in as expected. Also, one more thing I wanted to mention, if you are part of Indigo's rewards program, you can now claim your Indigo rewards through a very similar process. It's using the same backend as SundaeSwap. You come to app.indigoprotocol.io, click up here and click on rewards. I wasn't part of the program, so I don't have any rewards to claim, but for those of you that were, this is where you'd come and how you do it, and it's just as straightforward as it was in the SundaeSwap page. Congratulations to everybody claiming their reverse ISO rewards. Let me know down below how the process went for you, and if nothing else, we'll see you in the next video.